Hello friends, welcome to KK Codes. Friend, in this video series we are going to solve SQL questions on HackerRank one by one. And before proceeding to further this video series, allow me to introduce myself. I am Khushbu Kumari, having more than 5 years of experience in IT field, and I already have solved 45 out of 58 questions, and I will share the solution to you one by one and try to make it easy for you to understand. Alright, so let's start with our first question, which is revising the select query. So after clicking on this, we have come here to our questions, and the question is query all columns. Alright, so we need to select all columns, and we basically know whenever we want to select all the columns from a particular table, we need to write select star from and then the name of the table. So we can clearly see here that the name of the table is city, and we have some field, let's say ID, name of the city, country code, district, population, etc. Right, so I will write select star from city, and to this field we have ID, name and country code. Why we have given the country code? Let's say in this is our world, and in this our world there may be 100 or there may be 100 or 1000 or lakh of cities will be there, but each and every city belongs to a particular country, right? So let's say I am let's say take an example of Jamshedpur city. So Jamshedpur city is basically situated in the country called India, right? So let's say if we have given some data, let's say Jamshedpur, then Jamshedpur will contain the country code as I and D, which basically indicate that this city which belongs to the India country. Let's say take another example of XYZ city which belongs to America, right? And the code of America is USA, so the country code will be given as USA. So this country code which basically decide that this city belongs to which country. Now what the question says, select all columns. So we have basically select a star from city, and now we have some conditions. Select a star for all American cities. So we are not interested in all over the world of cities, we are only interested in the cities of America, right? So the first condition says that select cities which belongs to America country, right? America country. Now this is our first condition. Now the second condition, with population larger than 1 lakh. So the second condition says that select cities which have population greater than 1 lakh, right? So we have basically two conditions, and how do we define a condition? Using a where clause, right? So we will write where. Now the first condition, select cities which belong to America country. Let's say there is a country called XYZ. So how we can say that this city belongs to America or India or any other country? Using this country code. If the country code is given as USA, that basically means that this city is belongs to USA. So I need to check this. So where country code is equals to USA, and USA country code is basically varchar of 3, so we need to apply this single quote here. Now this is our first condition. Second condition, cities which have population greater than 1 lakh. So we have clearly here a column called population indicating the population of this particular city. So I need to write and population is greater than 1 lakh, right? So this is how the query will look like. So now the next task is to run this code and check whether it is correct or not, and it is going to take some time. After processing this, it is going to show the result. So congratulations, you have passed the sample test cases, which basically means that this query is correct and it is giving the correct output. So after that you just need to click on the submit code. So I hope you understand this question. So thanks for watching this video.